his shoulders. He stood by the door. It all happened so fast. I froze and I stared. He said, hands up, put your hands up. I saw it from nowhere. He said, stand up, just stand up. And I closed my eyes, let myself go. It took 1 second and I lost control. Mr. Doctor shot me down. He shot me once and kissed goodnight. It's over. Mr. Doctor caught my body. I closed my eyes, read that he would stay forever. He brought me the moon on a silver platter. He fills up my room with joy and laughter. At sunrise he goes, wake up, still wake up. He chases clouds away and makes the sky brighter. When I open my eyes, feel him so close. God is here, I won't let him go. Mr. Doctor shot me down. He shot me once and kissed goodnight. It's over. Mr. Doctor caught my body. I closed my eyes, read that he would stay forever. The clock doesn't stop for a while as I'm looking into his eyes. No word is strong enough to say. I want him